Meet Dolly, the one-of-a-kind companion robot that's about to change your world. Dolly isn't your average machine. It's your new friend, your confidant, and the most advanced companion you've ever known. Powered by the Raspberry Pi, Dolly can do it all, from setting timers to giving you the latest weather forecast.
2 Celsius degree.
It's like having your very own personal assistant. In short, Dolly is a combination of robotics, artificial intelligence, and coding education in a single device. But what truly sets Dolly apart is its ability to listen and understand you just like a real friend would. It responds to your voice commands with its NLU speech recognition system, always eager to listen and engage. But here's the kicker. Dolly evolves based on how you treat it. The more you interact, the more it learns about you, adapting its expressions, movements, and eye animations to suit your unique personality. Think Dolly is just for the tech-savvy? Think again. Whether you're a beginner or a coding pro, Dolly's block-based coding feature makes learning a blast. With Dolly as your coding companion, you'll embark on thrilling adventures while honing your skills along the way. Dolly is also the world's first 3D printable AI-powered companion robot with open hardware and open design. Unleash your creativity and add your personal touch to Dolly. It's not just a robot, it's a canvas for your imagination. And that's not all. Dolly is also the first hardware upgradable robot, with a flexible electronic design that opens up a world of possibilities. Make it even smarter, faster, or give it new abilities. The choice is yours. Whether you're young or young at heart, a tech enthusiast or a curious learner, Dolly is here to be your ultimate companion on this exciting journey of robotics, AI, and coding. Ready to embark on a journey with Dolly? Support our campaign now and let's innovate together.